Hey guys, my name is Alan LaRose. I'm here at MarineMax Cocoa, and right now I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on a Scout 175 Sportfish. This is a brand new boat. We just got it in. It's a 2023 model. Take a quick look at it, and then come on down to the store and check it out. Scout white, traditional look to the boat. Looks beautiful. Pop-up cleats, nice feature. Put those down, fishing lines won't get caught on them. Does have the bimini top, stainless steel fittings, folds all the way down. Coming to the back of the boat, we get some more rod holders back here, pop-up cleat, nice swim platform, telescoping, two off there, fold that down, nice grab handle there, grab handle here, some non-skid, step right up into the boat. We did equip this boat with a Mercury 115 command thrust. It's going to move right along, be able to carry a decent amount of people with you, and have the boat fully loaded down, be able to carry the load really well. So coming up into the boat, right in, there's a nice little structure on the side of the motor. We have storage on both sides back here. These flip open. Same on the other side. Take a look down in here. Get some nice bilge access. Finished inner liner as well. Bilge pump float switch right there. Self-bailing cockpit, all the water comes to the back of the boat, bails out. This boat is equipped with two captain seats. They can spin around, one can run one way, the other can run the other way. They do slide forward and aft. Love this for this boat, nice storage compartment, put your phone, wallet, keys, everything in there. You got a 12-volt accessory plug and cell phone charger in there. Some people like to install their electronics in here, other people will install electronics right up there. Two cup holders. It does have tilt steering. Right here on the starboard side of the boat, got four rod holders, some terminal tackle storage. Front of the boat, we've got cooler right here, plenty of room, nice big seat, two people to sit on that right there. Fish box right up here in the front, more storage. Then we have an anchor locker in the bow of the boat. This is pre-wired if anyone wants to add a trolling motor. This boat is rated for 6 people. It's got the seating. It's got the motor to be able to push it. Come down and check it out. My name is Alan LaRose here at MarineMax Cocoa, 321-636-3142. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you on the water.